All right, here we are up close. This is the front of it. Let's turn it over and see what the back looks like. Yeah, I got it pretty good. Okay, we'll see what the 9.3 by 62 did to the hard drive here. Right there, right next to the piece of wood is where it was when it was hit. The bullet impact threw it all the way up here. You can see the two bullet holes on the left are from the 223 and the one on the right is from the 9.3 by 62. And this is the back. As you can see, it just blew the heck out of it. I don't know about you, but this hard drive seems pretty well destroyed to me.